It's a clear shot now. Whoa! Oh god, something sounds really bad.
He took the fifth flare off.
Wow, something.
That sounded like metal.
That sounded like broken. Jeez! Okay, hey, hard left, go forward.
I think I'm going down here now.
Yeah, you got a tree right behind. Woo. Oh my god. Perfect. Perfect. Jeez.
I'm just like, I can't move.
Now, if you were filming, that probably would have turned out better, but I think that was me running for my life.
I didn't get any pictures, so don't feel bad. I was just like, oh,
oh, the flare.
I know how this is going to end.
Oh, that crack was the flare.
Yeah. He hit it on that tree first.
Wow.